Thank you for participating in DASL data entry. Your school can reach 100% accuracy, 100% reliability, and 100% completion for your DASL data. And in this video, we'll show you how to get there. This is the data entry home screen, where you can see the two data parts, DASL Data Foundation and DASL Biz Financial Operations, within opening and closing dates. In order to enter any data, DASL Data Foundation must be activated before the close date. After you enter each data part, you can see a list of the data entry categories within each. You can see your data entry progress in each category by viewing the bars to the right of each category label. The system is tracking your progress on the questions that apply to your school. Below the category name is a number that shows how many fields you have completed out of the applicable total. Use these drop-down menus and select your category and subcategory. Quickly find where you still need to input data by clicking Highlight Missing Data. As you scroll down, you will notice candy striping indicating fields you still need to fill in. If the data requested for the field is not applicable to your school, select the NA button. If NA is not available, then enter a 0 into the blank space. Have information about a data point you think would be valuable to share with your present and future colleagues? Enter a note. Once the subcategory is complete, be sure to click on Save or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S to save your work. DASL does not automatically save your progress. In the lower right corner, you'll see a yellow box confirming your work is saved. If you see Success with Alerts, modify or verify your work before moving to the next subcategory. Save again when the alerts are resolved. This will make the data entry process easier in the long run for your team. After you've checked each category and ensured you've entered all the data, you are ready to review your data. In the Review Data section, DASL displays a list of data points that have been flagged as potentially incorrect. Each data point has a brief explanation of why the data were flagged. To resolve the issue, quickly jump to the data point by clicking on its name. Any data that needs revision or approval will be highlighted in yellow. Sometimes the value is calculated and a variable above that is a part of the calculation and will need modification to correct the issue. The variables that are part of a calculation are listed in the description. Sometimes the value entered is correct. If this is the case, click on Is this correct? And select Mark as correct. And next, for your future colleagues' benefit, enter an explanation of why it is correct. Always save or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S before leaving the page. Return to the Review Data tab and update or clear all of the cited data points. Double-check the missing data on the Review Data tab to be sure you've captured everything. We have provided an additional report to review and do a final check of your data. The head of school or someone familiar with the data about your school should do a final review using this Key Ratios report. The Key Ratios report displays the data in a style similar to Facts at a Glance, as well as displays the past 2 years of data entered. This is to help your school ensure accurate data has been entered. If any numbers entered this year look off, click on the numbers in the first column to navigate directly to those sections. Review and make needed updates to your data. If numbers in a previous year look off, go to Manage Data, Update School Data, and make the needed updates. Run this report by clicking on the Check Data Quality chevron for your foundation and financial operations data as many times as needed until all data are correct. We're almost there. After all data points are entered, all alerts have been resolved, and your final review is complete, go to the Finalize tab and click the Submit Data button. After completing all of these steps, you've reached 100%. The independent school community greatly appreciates your efforts and accurate work. Thank you.